friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditly Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up my Clean Mama routine for the month of January. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so I have moved into a new book. This is an Erin Condren focused teacher lesson planner. So it's very simple, not a lot of color and artwork in it, but I don't have the regular monthly cleaning page that I've had for the last couple of years when I was in a plum paper planner. And so I'm working out kind of where I want to put my Clean Mama routine. Originally, you can see by the sticky note here, I had thought that this might be a good place for me to put it. I could put some washi here, and then there's 2 rows of checklists, and I could do the rotating tasks and the monthly tasks here. But I decided that I really like my index pages, and I thought, you know what, I kind of want to just decorate this, maybe put a quote. So instead of doing that, what I think I'm going to end up doing is putting the rotating and monthly tasks here on the first lined notes page. What I've done with the daily 5 and the weekly tasks, you might wonder, I've put the daily 5 here in my week as well as the weekly tasks. So here you see across the top of each of my to-do lists for each day, I have the daily 5. And then over here to the side, I just noted what those daily 5 are. So make the bed, wipe the counters, check the floors, tidy up, and do a load of laundry. And then for the weekly tasks, the way I do them, Monday is my sheets and towels or linens. Tuesday, I empty all the garbage because we have an early morning Wednesday garbage pickup. Wednesday and Thursday, I really don't do any house cleaning just because it's the middle of the week. It's typically kind of the days I would work late or I'd come home tired, that kind of thing. And then on Fridays, I dust and empty the fridge just so that the fridge is prepped and ready for when I do my grocery shopping on the weekend. And then Saturday is vacuum and mop. And then Sunday is scrubbing the bathrooms, watering plants, and scooping the poop. So that's what I decided to do. Instead of having a separate page with all the Clean Mama routine, I'm going to incorporate the daily 5 and the weekly tasks within each week. And then the rotating and monthly tasks I'm going to put at the end of the month here on this first lined notes page. So here's the Clean Mama Guide to a Clean Home. And if you haven't seen this before, this was a digital download that I purchased and then printed, sized down to 7x9 size. And I took it to Office Depot. I had them put it on a plastic coil and I had them laminate the cover for me. And so just to kind of flip quickly through the book, again, if you haven't already been following along, the daily tasks or the daily 5, again, are make the beds, wipe the counters, check the floors, clutter, pick up any clutter or tidy up is what I have on my script, and then doing a load of laundry. And then for the weekly tasks, she does hers a little differently. So Mondays are washing the bathrooms, Tuesdays dusting, Wednesdays vacuuming, Thursday is washing the floors or mopping, so she splits that up, whereas I prefer not to. Friday is a catch-all day, so you can do anything that maybe you missed during the week of the daily 5 or the weeklies, or maybe you're doing one of the rotating tasks or one of the monthly focus tasks. And then Saturday is sheets and towels. She doesn't have an assigned task for Sunday other than the daily 5 because that's supposed to be sort of like your break, your take a break, spend time with the family kind of thing. And then the rotating tasks, you go through each month and you rotate. So we've got for January, vacuum baseboards, spot clean furniture, kitchen light fixtures, wash rugs, polish wood furniture, change filters, clean oven, wipe down appliances, and wash windows. And you'll see some of these things you do once a month, like vacuuming the baseboards, you can see happen every month. Whereas the light fixtures, so in January, it's the kitchen. In February, it's the living and dining room fixtures, etc. And it goes through the year. And then for the monthly focus, that's more of like a targeted area of your house. So for January, it's a whole house declutter. And we've got here declutter, do a whole house quick declutter and gather at least 3 bags of stuff you can get rid of. Clean surfaces, sort through any existing paper piles that are out on counters or surfaces. Deal with your mail. Declutter your kitchen counters and cabinets. Declutter your counters in your bathrooms, your toiletries, your cabinets and drawers. Bedrooms, declutter surfaces, linens, clothing. Living areas, declutter toys, storage and flat surfaces, and then other areas, declutter attic, basement, garage, and or storage areas. And so what I thought I would do, like I said, instead of putting it here on the front of my index page for January, I'm going to do it here on this lined page. And like I said, because I'm doing my dailies and my weeklies in each weekly plan with me, I'm just going to do the rotating tasks and the monthly focus. So I'm going to start first by putting down some washi, and I'm using pieces left over from this planner cake kit. It's kit 601. It's called New Year's. I use this for my monthly setup as well as the first week of January because it's a New Year's kit. And so I thought I would use some of this leftover washi just to kind of set up my Clean Mama routine. I'm going to fold the book in half here just to kind of make it a little bit easier for me to work around this coil. So I'm going to try this out. And like I said, friends, I am, using this planner for the very first time. And so I might, I'm going to do it this way this month. I might do it another way next month just because I'm trying to figure out what works best. And then let's see. I have a ruler here and I've got this N95 Tombow. And I'm just going to kind of draw a line here. Just kind of basically dividing the page roughly in half or so. Like that. And then I have these headers from Saya Planning, which has now been rebranded to Aperture Empath. So she has all the Clean Mama scripts available on her Etsy page. So rotating and then monthly tasks. So I'm going to put those there. And then I've got this gray Zig clean color dot. It's called Platinum actually. And I'm going to use this for little checklists. And then let's see, let me write these in first. So again, at January, sorry, I'm left-handed, friends. So I have to kind of turn the book at a funny angle. Okay, so we're going to vacuum the baseboards. Spot clean furniture, which I tend to do more than once a month because of Otis. And if he's getting up on the sofa, he doesn't do it as much anymore because he just can't jump up there that high. But I tend to do spot cleaning of my sofa more than once a month. So we've got kitchen lights, and then we've got wash rugs and polish the wood furniture. Change the filters. That's something I'll have to have Scott do because I can't reach. They're up in the ceiling. Clean the oven. We do need to clean the oven. I noticed that over the holidays. And then wiping down the appliances. I will take the refrigerator apart and like wash all the shelves and all of that kind of stuff, all the little like trays and stuff like that. Wash windows. Okay, and then I'm gonna use just my little dot marker here to put some little dots here that I can use to check off from. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I'm not good at this and I always get my dots really crooked. Okay, so that's the rotating tasks. And then I'm gonna flip this over to the monthly focus, which we saw was a whole house declutter. So I'm just gonna put here, whole house declutter. Okay, so, and what I do is I just kind of put that main bold header and then I can just reference back to the book what each one kind of like, I don't like regurgitate and write all this down. And it kind of makes sense, like you kind of know what she means by this. Kitchen. And I kind of start this like in December as I'm getting things done for the holidays and putting away holiday decor and that kind of stuff. I kind of start doing this because we also have a break between Christmas and New Year's, and that's a good time to kind of start thinking about this stuff. And then other areas. Okay, and then again, I'm just going to put the little dots in here so I can use it as like a little check mark. Okay, cool. I like that. So I like the way that looks. That's cool. And then I did pull like a little cleaning time script here from Fern Creek Stickers. I also have some scripts here that I found, like clean house. These are kind of small. This one's kind of cool. I like this cleaning one. Let's see. Maybe I'll put this here in the center. Maybe I need to have some scripts made. And then I have a bunch of these cute little icons. Let's see. I love the washer machine. Since this is the whole house declutter kind of as the focus, I'm thinking maybe I put one of these cute little houses here. And leave it at that. Okay, so this is really like kind of a quick and short little video, only because like I said, now when I do each of my monthly plan with me's, you'll see me incorporating my daily 5 and my weeklies in my weekly plan with me. So let me know your thoughts. This is covered up because I have some notes here about Otis's healthcare from his vet. So just keeping Otis's privacy. Let me know what you think. I put it on, like I said, the first lined notes page. The other thing I thought would be easy to put it on the very last page. But I don't know, then I'd have all, these pages in between here. I could just put it just because it'd be easy to flip to because of the index tab there. Or should I put it here? My only concern is I would have to count to make sure there were enough lines here for each of the rotating and monthly tasks. And then I could just decorate up here. So give me your opinion, friends. Let me know your thoughts. I'm going to do it this way for this month and kind of see how it works out. I have little bookmarks that I can put here just so I can flip to it easily too. But that's it. So short and sweet for the Clean Mama routine videos kind of going forward. All right, friends, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.